how to use Flux AI locally. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Flux AI on your computer to generate beautiful looking images. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is install a tool called Pinocchio. After that, you'll land on the welcome screen. In the top right corner, click on Discover. Then in the search bar, type Flux. Next, select the Minimal Flux Web UI option and click on Download. Over here, you'll see a list of dependencies required to run Flux. Pinocchio will automatically install all of these for you. After that, click on Install at the bottom of the screen. Over here, you can see the installation progress on the right-hand side. Once the installation is complete, the Flux Web UI will launch automatically. Now, in the top input box, type in your prompt. Over here, you'll see options to select the AI model, the seed, and other settings like width and height. Then, click on Run to generate your image. Once your image is ready, click on it to download it as a PNG. So that's how you can use Flux AI locally on your PC. That's all for this video.